Why is there no tuple comprehension in Python? As we all know, there's list comprehension, like. And there is dictionary comprehension, like. But we'll end up in a generator, not a tuple comprehension. Why is that? My guess is that a tuple is immutable, but this does not seem to be the answer.
You can use a generator expression, but parentheses were already taken for generator expressions.
Raymond Hedinger, one of the Python core developers, had this to say about tuples in a recent tweet. #Python tip. Generally, lists are for looping, tuples for structs. Lists are homogeneous, tuples heterogeneous. Lists for variable length. This, to me, supports the idea that if the items in a sequence are related enough to be generated by a, generator, then it should be a list. Although a tuple is iterable and seems like simply a immutable list, it's really the Python equivalent of a C-struct. Becomes in Python.
Since Python 3.5, you can also use splat * unpacking syntax to unpack a generator expression.
As another poster Mac mentioned in his answer, the fastest way to create a tuple from a generator is tuple generator. Performance comparison. List comprehension. Tuple from list comprehension. Tuple from generator. Tuple from unpacking. My version of Python. So you should always create a tuple from a list comprehension unless performance is not an issue.
Comprehension works by looping or iterating over items and assigning them into a container. A tuple is unable to receive assignments. Once a tuple is created, it cannot be appended to, extended, or assigned to. The only way to modify a tuple is if one of its objects can itself be assigned to is a non-tuple container, because the tuple is only holding a reference to that kind of object. Also, a tuple has its own constructor tuple, which you can give any iterator. Which means that to create a tuple, you could do